Best audio interfaces deliver clear sound, low latency recording, reliable connectivity, and professional quality audio for home studio production. My today's video is about top 5 best audio interfaces for home studio that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Pyon Audio Interface. The Pyon Q28 USB-C audio interface is a versatile choice for home studios, offering a convenient combination of professional quality recording and easy portability. Its class-compliant plug-and-play design works with Mac and PC without requiring additional drivers, while USB-C provides both fast data transfer and bus power, eliminating the need for bulky external supplies. With 24-bit/192 kHz resolution and high-performance converters, it captures vocals, instruments, and other sources with impressive clarity, low noise, and detailed dynamics. 2 combo inputs provide flexibility for microphones and guitars, while 48V phantom power supports condenser microphones effectively. The illuminated gain controls are particularly useful in dim recording environments, adding both visibility and a modern appearance. Direct monitoring enables zero latency tracking, and the 3.5mm headphone output offers convenient monitoring without adapters. Overall, the Q28 is a practical, compact interface for musicians, podcasters, and mobile creators seeking reliable studio-quality performance. Now our second product is PreSonus USB Audio Interface. This audio interface delivers a well-rounded setup for home recording, music production, and content creation, supporting simultaneous 2-input/2-output operation for efficient workflow. Its 2 mic, instrument, and line inputs are equipped with XMA-XL mic preamps, providing flexible connectivity for microphones, guitars, keyboards, and other audio sources. The 2 balanced 1/4-inch TRS main outputs make it easy to connect professional studio monitors while maintaining a clean, reliable monitoring setup. A high-power headphone output is useful for detailed listening and private tracking sessions, while MIDI and /out adds valuable compatibility for keyboards, controllers, and other MIDI equipment. The mixer knob is another practical feature, allowing low-latency, direct monitoring so performers can hear their input without distracting delay. Front panel level controls provide quick adjustment of the main outputs, and 4 ladder-style LED meters clearly display input and output levels. Overall, it combines versatile connections, practical controls, and dependable monitoring features in a studio-friendly design. Our third product is M-Audio M-Track Duo USB Audio Interface. The M-Audio M-Track Duo is a versatile and portable audio interface designed for recording, podcasting, live streaming, and home music production. Its 48 kHz audio resolution delivers clear, detailed recordings, while 2 combo XLR/line instrument inputs provide the flexibility to connect microphones, guitars, and other line-level sources. Built-in phantom power makes it suitable for condenser microphones, and the transparent crystal preamps help produce clean, natural sound across different microphone types. Monitoring is equally convenient, with a 1/4-inch headphone output and stereo 1/4-inch outputs for connecting headphones and studio monitors. The USB/direct switch enables zero latency monitoring, allowing creators to hear their performance without distracting delays. Its portable design also makes it practical for mobile setups. Adding further value, the included MPC Beats software provides essential production tools for creating and arranging music. Overall, the M-Track Duo offers an accessible combination of reliable recording, flexible connectivity, easy monitoring, and useful production features. Now number 4, Focusrite Scarlett Gen USB Audio Interface. The Focusrite Scarlett 16 i16 4th generation is a powerful producer-focused audio interface designed for demanding home and professional studio workflows. With 16 inputs and 16 outputs, it offers exceptional flexibility through 2 microphone preamps, high-Z inputs, 6 line inputs, A.S/PDF, and MIDI I/O. Its preamps deliver up to 69 dB of gain, making it easy to capture everything from vocals and guitars to keyboards and other studio sources. The 24-bit/192 kHz converters, featuring a 122 dB dynamic range, provide detailed, high-quality recordings with impressive clarity. Air modes add presence and harmonic character to vocals and instruments, giving tracks a more polished studio feel. Auto gain simplifies setup by quickly finding suitable recording levels, while Clip Safe continuously monitors and adjusts gain to help prevent unwanted clipping. The included Pro Tools Intro Plus, Ableton Live Lite, Cubase LE, and Hitmaker expansion further enhance its value, providing a comprehensive toolkit for production, mixing, and mastering. And our last choice is Maono Lite USB audio interface. The Maono PS22 Lite is a compact yet capable USB audio interface built for recording, podcasting, music production, and live streaming. Its 24-bit/192 kHz resolution and 106 dB dynamic range deliver detailed, realistic sound, while the preamp provides up to 56 dB of gain and 48V phantom power for both dynamic and condenser microphones. Guitarists can use the dedicated instrument input with adjustable impedance to capture rich tones and experiment with effects. For streamers, Pro Studio routing software adds virtual channels and loopback capabilities, while ASJO support helps achieve low latency performance. Beginners will appreciate its intuitive recording, broadcasting, and instrument modes, plug-and-play setup, and direct monitoring switch. The compact design is easy to carry, and the dynamic light ring provides useful input status feedback. Compatibility with Mac, Windows, and iPad, plus popular DAWs such as Pro Tools, Ableton Live, and Cubase, makes it highly versatile. Overall, the PS22 Lite is an excellent feature-packed choice for creators seeking portability and quality. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.